Well, it's Sunday, and it's 9:20. I'm going to go wash up and go to Costco. Kevin came down about an hour ago. We worked for an hour on the bike. He mounted and wired the rear turn signals, so they're in place and looking good, nice and tight. Nice and tight. And we'll test those as soon as we get to mount the front turn signals, which will be mounted when I mount the headlight, which will be mounted once I get all four of these indicator lights working. I've got the neutral light working all the way back, so that's done. The ignition light is still vexing me. I'm not sure. I think there's a break in the line between this white and brown wire going through this bundle here and connecting to a gray wire, which I ran back to the assimilator. I may have chosen the wrong wire here, so I'll check that out. And the other one is the turn signal. We'll find that out when we put the other turn signals on. So progress is being made at a good hour. And let's see, I remounted the switches that I cleaned up yesterday and got working. So they're all temporarily remounted. By the way, you can use the carburetor cleaner to clean these cables. They come out really, really nice. Just spray it on a cloth and wash the heck out, scrub the heck out of them, and they come out like they're brand new. And after I did that, I thought, gee, I think I'll try, on this last one, I'll try some S100. It works just as well. So spray them with S100, clean them down with a cloth, and they'll come out just beautiful. So that's where we are. Did a good hour's work this morning, and I'm going to go shopping at Costco.